Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a video of how I set up my Christmas tree. I'm really excited for this season. This is the first time I'm setting up a Christmas tree in my house and as a mom, so I'm really excited. I'm trying to get to clear some stuff from the living room so that I can set up the tree. In this corner, this is where I'm planning to put up my tree. So I'm trying to get this seat out of there. And guys, this seat is so heavy. It is really, really heavy. So I'm thinking about it. If I'm thinking, I don't know what I was thinking right here. But I'm also dancing, so I don't know what was wrong. I'm trying to figure out how I will carry it from there. But thank God for my sister. She came and she helped me get it out of there. And I placed it behind the seat, waiting for Baba T to come and take it upstairs because we can't do that. It's heavy. Yeah. So this Christmas tree comes in 4 parts. That's the base and the 3 trees. The bottom part has so many branches, then the middle part is medium, and the top part has small branches, yeah, and shorter ones. So I was setting up the base. The base comes with the tree comes with 3 screws to screw the base so that it's firm, it won't shake. I got this base from Go to Home collection. That is what I'm using at the bottom to just decorating it. Yeah, but it's so cute. This mat, you can use it even after I like when I remove my Christmas tree, I'll just find another spot to put this mat. It's so cute. I got some of this decorating decor balls and lightings from House of Leather, but the rest I got the tree from Kipusa House where Soko comes with the lights, the multicolored lights you'll see me putting at the bottom, and some accessories. Yeah, so most of them I got from House of Leather, but I don't know if I will be able to show you in the video, but once you go to Kipusa House where Soko Instagram page or TikTok page, you'll see some decorating items that they have. Setting up this Christmas tree took me longer than I expected. Yeah, so guys, enjoy the video. My voice is kind of acting up, so see you guys on the next one. putting up my tree and decorating it. I'll put up the garland tomorrow and decor. I'm really tired to do it now, but I like how it has turned out. Yeah. I'm planning to put up the garland up here up to this part, and then add some decors there, and then still I've not found the perfect decor to put in these shelves here. Yeah, so I still have a hustle to do. It's on 2nd of November. It's Thursday, but I've changed my calendar to tomorrow because it will save me tomorrow's work. Yeah, so that's it. What else? I'll show you how I'll put it up tomorrow. And what else? And now set the dining table, and yeah, and the pillowcases. Yeah, that's it. So this is how it looks. I got all this. Oh no, I got the Christmas tree and some ornaments from Kipusa. I'll tag them. And then the big balls, these big balls, I got them from House of Leather. Yeah, and this too. I'm planning to be writing the days to Christmas, the days that are remaining to Christmas there. And I got this. Now I'm looking for such, but I don't want repetition. If you know where I can get good Christmas decor pieces to put up, let me know. And this lamp here. Yeah, so I got the carpet from Go to Home collection. Yeah, House of Leather. This car, is it a monkey or a what? A lion or whatever that animal is. Titi broke the body. Yo. Yeah, and here I'm still looking for more Christmas decor to put down there. Yeah, and this floating candle. So I'll go to Okadeco tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow no, probably on Saturday. I'll go to Okadeco and get the tall jars and the, what are they called? The clear obis. Yeah, and then I'll put some more decor on the table, and those floating candles, they're really nice. So down here we have this green and red crystals that I got from House of Leather. Yeah, this is a floating candle. Yeah, I'll set up that tomorrow at the dining table. That's not the flower for the pot. I'll look for a flower for that pot, probably House of Leather, or yeah. And down there is my ho mat. Yeah, I'll put it down there. Then yeah, this is the 150 planter from, where did I buy this? House of Leather. Yeah, and then I've added this that I got from Kipusa Houseware Soko. Got this and the tree. Yeah. Oh, this is Titi. He was 9 days old. Yeah, can't believe he's turning 1 in 3 weeks. Oh my god. Yeah, so this is how the tree turned out. This is the first time we are doing a Christmas tree, so you guys understand how excited I am. Yeah, so I'm planning to put up the garland there from that tower all the way down to this horse. I'm not removing the horse, but I'll remove Titi from there and probably put him on the other side. Yeah. If you know where I can get good decor, please plug me when you see this video, because I'm sure this video will go up in like 2-3 days from today, so sitakuwa nimepata bado. Yeah. Oh, look at that tree from there. I'm excited, you guys. And then let me show you what I have done. You see, there are some stars. What are these? Not stars, snow, whatever. Here, I want gold ones. I'll probably go back to House of Leather and find gold ones to put all the way there, and then what is it called? Yeah, hapo kwa mlango. This house looks like a mess because I'm waiting for Babati to come to pandisha hiyo kiti. This will go outside. The stroller will go to his room. What is this? This is trash. And then I'll change these pillowcases and probably clean here because I don't know what is this here. Yeah. Old fleece blankets. I'll put up this fleece and a red one that I have. And yeah, that's it. See you guys tomorrow.